So good day everyone, I am here to talk about the health effects of occupational health hazard. Occupational health hazard are any workplace conditions that can be negatively impact a worker's health. These hazards can be physical, chemical, biological, ergonomic, or psychosocial hazards. The health effects of this hazard can range from minor irritations to serious illness and even deaths. So first, physical hazard. Physical hazard is an agent, factor, or circumstance that can cause harm with contact. It can be classified as type of occupational hazard or environmental hazard. Example, mga panganib na materials na maaaring magdulot ng pinsala kung hindi wastong hinahawakan o itinatapon. Halimbawa lamang sa mga basag na salamin, mga matutulis na bagay at mga mabibigat na bagay. So next is a chemical hazard. So chemical hazard is include exposure toxic substance such as a solvent, pesticides, and heavy metals. Example of chemical hazard like heavy metals, lead, mercury, and cadmium can accumulate in soil and water, contaminating crops and livestock. These metals can cause neurological damage, kidney problems, and other health issues. So the next is biological hazard. So biological hazards include exposure to bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Example of biological hazard is mao din siya ang mga bacteria, viruses, and fungi na mutakod sa isig kataw na pwede sad makako sa atong health na atong gipamati like sipon, ubo, hilanat, mo na siya ang mga bacteria na mitakod sa atong kalawasan. So mo na siya ang biological hazard na mga viruses na pwede mo adapt sa atong lawas and maka-effect sa atong health. Next is ergonomic hazard. So what is ergonomic hazard? Ergonomic hazard includes repetitive motions, awkward postures, and heavy lifting. Example of ergonomic hazard is kanang like maglingkod ba karo sa lingkuranan din wala ka nakatarong og pahiluna, so makakause siya og sakit sa imong likod. And usasad sa example sa ergonomic hazard is ang kanang magdala ba karo og things na bugat or like for example karton baron imo siyang gialsa din kanang pag-alsa nimo wala na tarong og hiluna ang imong lawas, so pwede siya makakos og sakit sa imong lawas baron or kanang imong kamot ba mapiang baron ka ana mo na siya ang hazard. So next is social development. So what is social development? So social development is a broad concept that encompasses the process and outcomes related to improving and the well-being of individuals and communities within a society. So it is a focus on enhancing social economy and political structure to create a more just, equitable and sustainable society. So mao na siya no. So key aspect of social development, human development. This aspect emphasizes the expansions of people's capabilities and opportunities, including access to education, healthcare, employment, and social protections. It aims to improve people's quality and life, empower them to participate fully in social. Second is social in conclusions. So this aspect focus on ensuring that everyone has equal opportunities and access to resources regardless of their backgrounds, identity, and circumstance. It aims to address inequalities and create a society where everyone feels valued and respected. So third is social justice. This aspect seeks to create a fair and equitable society where everyone has equal rights and opportunities. It addresses historical injustice and systemic inequalities and promoting a more just inclusive order. Lastly is sustainable development. This aspect recognizes the interconnectedness of social, economy, and environmental factors. It aims to achieve development that meets the needs of present and generations without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Yeah, that's all. Example of social development initiative. First is poverty education programs, providing financial assistance, job training, and access to resources to help people escape poverty. So, second is education reform, improving access to quality education for all children and regardless of their background. So, third is healthcare improvements, expanding access of affordable and effective healthcare service for all. Fourth is gender equality and initiative, promoting equal rights and opportunity of women and girls. Lastly, environmental protections programs, protecting natural resources and mitigating the impact of climate change. Mao siya ang example sa social developments. So, next is principles of social development. First is participations, ensuring that people have voice in decisions that affect their lives. Second is equity, promoting fairness and equal opportunity for all. So, third is sustainability, ensuring development that meets the needs of the present without compromising future generations. So the lastly is accountability, holding governments and organizations accountable and their actions of committees. So that would be all. Thank you for listening.